Hey guys, it's Boy here, and today I'm partying in a cupboard with a lightsaber nearly hanging over my head. Look at that. Isn't that epic? Isn't that so epic? And I'll put my head under it. The light, and it's a double lightsaber. Just look. Oh, you can't see it. We're dancing. We're dancing to the beat in this thing. Dancing, 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 dancing. My face is so dark. Now it's time to get down. Maybe I've been here too long. Let's open it and let this thing down. Now,
yeah, I don't trust.
That down.
I did a back payment once. You know, not using their online thing. I did a back payment from the account.
And then I'm going to
the light. Account, it was all taken. You know, it's like you paid, you got money.
And look at this.
And then
Another half. And look at that.
You put this debit on the account. I'm like, what's that? And even though they go to the account and you said you never collected it. Do you know, so it makes me really nervous.
So after doing that,
well, yeah,
I got a baby. I had a born baby. What's a boy?
You know, it's not for me to know that they need to go and collect it. As far as I'm concerned, I've paid them the money.
I got a meerkat.
And it was showing up on the account.
And the meerkat is so ticklish. And today, guess what I got for Christmas?
So that's why I'm nervous when
I'll show you. My own laptop.
Right.
Yes, my own laptop. Just look at this, guys. Look at it.
Alright, that's brilliant. What was your name? Brilliant. Thank you, Danny.
It's a blue laptop. Just watch this. Just watch this.
That's everything. Thank you.
Oh, hallelujah. I actually got a laptop for Christmas. I actually got a laptop for Christmas. And do you want to see me play on it? Wait a minute, let me turn this upside down. Oh, why is it upside down? Let me try it again, people. You know what? I just give up with this laptop. The right thing is upside down, but it's not actually in real life. So let's mine some. The caps lock is on. And what the heck, guys? I just showed you my laptop. Let's put that thing back. And then, guess what I got? Once we went to the store, and look what I got. I'll show you. This is so heavy. And I got a puzzle.